Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and review into Huck's World. And yes, people, I got another awesome watch face for you all to download that's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. And this one is coming from AXXO. Him and his father always gets down on some awesome watch faces. This guy is definitely super creative. Now, the name of the watch face is called Sonar Hybrid. Again, I thought he did an awesome job with this one. I'm giving them 3 thumbs up in the door for creativity and the design of this watch face. Now, in AOD mode, you're going to get a nice look. It's going to be dimmed down in the black and white theme for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2, but it's going to look nice. Now, a hybrid watch face is truly what this watch face is, but I like the style. I do like the design of this one. It definitely stands out, but it offers more than what it shows. So let's have a look at it. I do like the index, but let's take a look at the numbers that he's given us, right, to show. It's giving us the 10, the 2, the 4, and the 8, which is different from what we normally get from most watch faces, which is the 12, the 3, the 6, and the 9. So I like the style of this one. I like the blending of the theme. You get your battery info at the top, your date over here, get your digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds, and it's a 12-hour time too, and I believe it's based off of your time format setting. And down at the bottom, you're going to get, of course, your step information. Look like I slowed down a little bit, makes sense with the fact that I'm still limping, okay? But other than that, I thought it was a great look, right? But it offers this. You can set your favorites, right? And you got 3 places in which you can do so. Down at the bottom and over here with the 9 would normally be. I thought that was a great look, but that's not even a highlight of the watch face. Check this one out. I'm going to double tap, and of course it changes the color theme of the watch face. But it seems like you got 3 watch faces in all. Did you see the theme change totally? So you have a different look here, and you got one more. I like that look right there. That's good for a night out on the town, depending on what you're dressing up in. But yes, my man did a good job. See, the theme changes again and again. I love it. I thought my man got down on this one. But the question is, at the end of the day, what do you think? And is this worthy of a download, even though the watch face is free? Now, there's where I can wear this dressing up. This is truly a nice look, people. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.